Hey dudes and girls, back in the kitchen with another Buff Dudes food recipe, and this is an easy one. It's only going to take 2 ingredients. We're basically kind of making mock chicken McNuggets, except the great thing is with this one, there's no carbs, which is pretty sweet. So it's just pure protein with a little bit of fat. This one was suggested by you, so this is a little bit of an experiment for us. So we're excited, yeah. So we have ourselves a whole bag of pork rinds here. We're not gonna need the whole thing. It's just enough to coat the chicken. So we'll go ahead and put it in a large bowl. And then we're gonna go ahead and mash this up because what we're trying to do is kind of replicate breadcrumbs. So we want small little chunks here. So as you can see, got it pretty mashed up. It's not quite powder, but it's getting close. Now that we have that done, we're gonna go ahead and take our chicken and we're gonna roll it in our pork rind crumb concoction. And as you can see, ours is chicken tenders. You can get full chicken breasts if you want and then just cut them into sizes, which feels right for you. There's number one. It's looking a little bit like a pork rind chicken worm, but damn, is that gonna be good once it's cooked. So number one down, and we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing for all the rest. We're just gonna roll it, make sure it's nice and coated with the pork rinds, and we're gonna go ahead and set it on the plate. So we have the chicken all rolled in the pork rinds. As you can see, they're nice and covered. Usually what we would go ahead and do is throw it right into the oven, but unfortunately our oven is broke right now. So I'm gonna go outside and I'm gonna throw it on our pellet stove, which works just as well. Got them all on the grill there. We're gonna cook it for about 20 minutes at 350 degrees, and we'll see you then. Yeah. So it's been about 20 minutes. We're gonna check on the chicken tenders. Oh yeah, those are looking good. And as you can see, we threw a little broccoli on there as well because you need a little greens with your protein. So we're gonna take this all off, set it on the plate, let it cool for just a few minutes, and then do the taste test. Yeah. Back inside, we've had a chance to let it cool off, and now it's time for the taste test. That is fantastic. And this was an exciting episode to shoot because we've never taken a user suggestion before. So thank you so much. Love the recipe. Definitely make it again in the future. And let us know some other recipes you'd like us to try out because we'll get it done. We don't have much else to do. So thanks again. Try this out. Let us know how you like it. And until next time, stay buff. Yeah.